There are 5 questions to be answered.
Hi. I'm your ACE trainer today. I'll be teaching you to calculate estimation time of arrival for jack-up rig move. You probably heard about E.T.A. before, but do not know what is E.T.A. abbreviation. E.T.A. is estimation time of arrival.
Before we start the tutorial, please subscribe to this channel to support the content. Turn on the notification bell, in order to watch our latest uploaded video. Enjoy.
What are the information necessary to calculate E.T.A.? Obtain distance from navigation chart and anticipate tow speed. The formula is, distance divided by speed, equal to time to go from present location to next destination.
This is a navigation chart showing a tow route from point A to point B. The unit measurement for distance on navigation chart is in nautical miles. There are several coordinates along the tow route where we need to summarize the total distance for E.T.A. calculation. For an example, the total distance for this tow route is 550 nautical mile.
How to determine towing speed. From rig move historical data, the towing speed for jack-up rig in average was 3 knots. Therefore, for this tutorial, we use speed of 3 knots to calculate the E.T.A. Please be reminded the towing speed will be affected by wind, direction of waves and swell, ocean current, windage of jack-up rig and towing vessel's power. Let's calculate E.T.A. together. The distance for entire tow route is 550 nautical miles with towing speed of 3 knots. Remember the formula given earlier? Distance divided by speed equal to time to go. 550 nautical mile divided by 3 knots equals to 183.33 hours. 183.33 hours is equivalent to 183 hours and 20 minutes. If you want to learn on coordinate and time conversion, please refer to the link above. If we depart from point A on the 1st of July 2021, 0800 hours, what will be the rig ETA to the next destination point B? The ETA to point B is, on the 8th of July 2021, 2300 hours and 20 minutes. If you are unable to calculate the ETA correctly, please comment below, we will assist you and clarify your doubt. I hope you enjoy the lesson, and it is time for ETA questionnaire. There are 5 questions to be answered. All of the questions will be using the same distance of 550 nautical miles. Question number 1, what will be the ETA, if the towing speed is 3.5 knots? Assuming constant speed of 3.5 knots from point A to point B, please comment below for question number 1. I hope you will get the right answer. Question number 2, what will be the speed required, in order to arrive point B location on the 7th of July 2021, 1200 hours? Please comment below for question number 2. Question number 3. On the 3rd of July 2021, main tow vessel reported one of the main engine overheated, and required to slow down to troubleshoot. The towmaster decided to reduce engine power from 85% to 40%. The chief engineer took 48 hours to reinstate the main engine. The towing speed was reduced to 1.8 knots for 48 hours. What will be the ETA to point B? Question number 4. On the 7th of July 2021, 0600 hours, towmaster received an instruction from Port Authority to slow down the speed and arrive point B location on the 8th of July 2021, 0900 hours. What would be the speed required to arrive at point B? Assuming constant adjusted speed from 7th of July 0600 hours to 8th of July 0900 hours. Question number 5. Harbor pilot on board tow vessel at point B on the 8th of July, 0900 hours, and distance to go to anchorage, approximately 10 nautical miles from point B. 2 nautical miles before arriving soft pin location, the towmaster required to slow down the speed below half a knot prior to connect assist vessel for positioning. What will be the ETA to anchorage location?
After watching the tutorial, I hope that you will be able to calculate the estimation time of arrival, ETA. Please do not forget to comment below on the question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and question number 5. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Thank you for watching.